Today we've got a little tip for anyone who owns a Husqvarna 128 DJX. I got this in today with implement not rotating when trigger pulled. And so after doing a little bit of diagnostic, we found that the collar on this drive shaft has sunken into its little holder. I don't know if you can see inside there, but what happens is there's a collar that's supposed to sit about 2-3 inches down from here, and what'll happen is it'll either slide forward or slide back and cause the connection to your implement attachment, whatever you want to call it, to no longer get connection and stop rotating. So if you ever have that issue, 128 DJX, it's more than likely a flawed drive shaft. And your part number is 545-006-074 for a new updated drive shaft. Hope this helps.